Greetings. Today we control imaginary traffic. Let's look at the hardware schematic, our blueprint for total intersection domination. The big red box is the PIC16 F877A. It's the brain. Pins 33 through 38, labeled PORTB, are its fingers. When we tell the chip to jump, it shoots 5 volts out of here to make the lights shine. On the left, X1 is the crystal oscillator. It's the heartbeat. Without its vibration, the chip sits there like a frozen statue. Above it is the MCLR pin with a reset button. Press this, and the chip forgets everything. It's a self-destruct for when your code inevitably creates a disaster. On the right are the traffic lights. In this simulation, they connect directly to the chip. In real life, that would fry them instantly, but here, components are immortal. Now, the code. First, trisb equals 0x00. We set PORTB to output. I'm telling the chip, you don't ask questions. You only give orders. Then PORTB equals 0x00 sets everything to darkness. We enter the while, 1 loop. This runs forever. Phase 1, PORTB.F0 and F5 go high. Green 1 and red 2 are on. We hold this for 6,000 milliseconds. Safety first. Then, we cut the green and fire up PORTB.F1, yellow 1. It lasts exactly 1 second. A brief moment of panic. Next, the great swap. We kill yellow 1 and red 2, and light up red 1 and green 2. The other lane finally gets 6 seconds of joy. Finally, green 2 dies. Yellow 2 flickers for a second, and we reset. The cycle repeats forever. It's efficient, and exactly why I'm not allowed near real city infrastructure. Let's run our simulation, then call Elon Musk to join him fly to space. Here is a demonstration of how this system works. Please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing disastrous projects.